All right, well, welcome to another episode of Coding with Agent. I'm Dean, and today we are going to build a checkerboard inside of Minecraft using the agent. So again, we're going to take a look. The code is pre-made here. So this one's called checkers. We're going to do a teleport again, and the agent is going to move forward by 1. Okay, so he's going to move a little bit extra. Actually, this is cool too. If you hit the minus sign here, it will, as you can see, it makes the blocks a little bit smaller so that you can fit them all in. Get the plus a little bit, it's one a tad bigger. I think that's good. I think we can fit it in. Hopefully you guys can all see what's going on here. All right, so this is something that's fairly new with an I. Now I'm assuming that means integer. Returns the value for this variable. So I'm thinking it's an integer between 0 and 9. Okay, so that would make sense to me. We're going to repeat this 5 times. He's going to go forward. He's going to set an active slot. It's going to place so good. So what I'm thinking is that this will definitely be like a 5x5 checkerboard is what I'm thinking. This will be interesting. Some good new code to explore a little bit. If the remainder of the integer divided by 2 equals 0, then ancient turn left. Okay, so I think this is what this will help figure out whether it's supposed to be black or white. Okay, agent move forward by 1. So is this how it's going to get the pattern? If the remainder of the integer divided by 2 is equal to then turn left. So it's like it's going to drop the blocks and place them, and then with one color, and then see where it's at, and then place them with another one. That's interesting. So it's got the if then else statements. So I think what's going to happen here is we'll place the blocks, and well, let's give this a shot. I'm curious to see if I'm understanding this one a little bit. So we're going to go to the T, get the box, and this one's called checker. Alright. And let's get out of here and see where our buddy is. Is he still up there? Oh, maybe it's checkers. Let's try that again. Let's just double check. Checkers. I think I just put checker. Okay, let's double check that. And go here, and I did. I missed the S, so that's why. Again, that's the thing with coding. You forget one little thing, and it kind of puts it all out of whack a bit. So now, pretty sure I spelled that right this time. And he still. Well, maybe I'll hit the play button. Maybe it didn't upload into the game. All right, let's try that again, and go checker. And oops, I got checkers. Checkers, and let's exit this. Yeah, that's right, I didn't raise around. Oh, and here he goes. So, okay, he's just alternating with the checker. Okay, so it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's 10. It's 5 and 5, not 11. Okay, so he's still going strong here, and he went between blue. I wonder if he kept that from what we put in last time. So, all right, that's really cool. You can definitely do some interesting patterns. I could see that being used in math quite a bit. And I love these coding connections of how I can maybe move it into my math class for this one, for example, and see. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm wondering if this is the last one, if it's a 10 by 10 grid. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So let's go back to the code. So it was really interesting. Like, I'm not sure. And that's the thing. Well, actually, let's go back out for a second. If I go and let's go talk to our buddy here. If I click on him, what's in your inventory? Oh yeah, so he was using the bedrock and the blue wool that I had in there, even from last one, to designate which blocks he would use. All right, so that's interesting. Agent set active slot for 1 and active slot for 2. So that's where he would have grabbed the wool and the bedrock to do that. And I see it went 1 by 1. And that makes sense. And he repeated that 5 times. So it looks like, I wonder if I build it again, is there a chance that it would be a different size? Like if it's random? I really wish I could figure out more of what this one is. Let's take a look at the JavaScript and see if it will help me understand that a little bit better. So that yeah, I is just an integer. Okay, so integer is 0, turns left. Okay, interesting. So I think it should always give me a 10 by 10 grid, and because it's starting from 0 to 9, so 0 to 9 is 10, like, right? You gotta, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's why you get that, the 9 going in there. Okay. Excellent. So this is making me think quite a bit, which I definitely don't mind. And I just want to see, let's go over here. And I'm going to put T and go checkers. And there he goes again. So I was in the way, so he couldn't place the block. So I moved out. Let's see. Oh, look at this one. Interesting. I wonder if there'll be an extra block. Yeah, because I was in the way. Interesting. So I blocked, and it didn't have... On the previous one, if there was something in the way, he would get rid of it, but he couldn't get rid of me, which is interesting. So it still did the same thing, though, like, right? Except for the 1, so it's 10. Looks like I could go 10 by 10. So it starts at 0 and goes to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like that's how he knows when to turn and to put down his blocks. Excellent work at computational thinking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he's got 2 more rows to work through. And there's nothing in his way, and so he should be done. Good job, buddy. All right. So the remainder equals 0. Okay. Then turn left, then turn right. And he knew how to put that on. That's really cool. Awesome. All right. You know, there's still some parts that I'm a little foggy on, but I'm starting to piece together this journey a little bit and see how it goes together. All right. Well, got the checkerboard going. I'm still learning a few things. I got the if-then statements. I got loops. I got variables. I got patterns. I got lots of great things that I can play around with. So, excellent. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Coding with Agent as much as I have. Definitely a great learning journey. And until next time, take care out there. Thanks for watching.